everyone, my name is Anju Arora and I am from Euro International Bhiwadi branch. In the today's class, I will teach you about the parts of speech. Firstly, I will tell you about the definition of the parts of speech. What is parts of speech? I will elaborate this thing by taking an example. Like, just to make a car, we have to put different parts at a particular place just to fix it as a car. In the same way, to construct a sentence, we have to put right words in a right manner to form a sentence. So, parts of speech is a tool or category that teaches us how to use a word at a particular place to construct a sentence. Here you can see I have taken 8 cups having the name of noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These are 8 words which also known as the parts of speech. You can see as I have some sticks also. Now what I am going to do, I will pick sticks one by one. Let's do it. So let's pick the first stick. The first stick, as you can see, having the name of Malta. As Malta is one of the European countries, it means it is a country name. So naming comes under the head of the noun. Noun are the namings word. So I am going to put this stick in the cup of noun. So it's the time to pick the next stick. Let's do it. The next stick, as you can say that having the word sleep. Sleep is a action word. And action word are known as the verb. So without thinking, I am going to put this stick in the cup of the verb. Let's pick the next stick. The next stick is the hurrah. Hurrah is the kind of strong feeling or the sudden feeling about something. Like hurrah, we won the match. As you can see that this word is having the sign of the exclamation. The words having the sign of the exclamation is known as interjection. So I am going to put this stick into the cup of interjection. Let's take the next stick. The next stick, that is empty. Empty container. So it is the word which tells us about the container. It means it tells us about the noun. So empty is the adjective. So I am going to put this stick into the cup of adjective. Let's pick the next stick. The next stick, as you can see, this is on. On is the preposition. Prepositions are those kinds of words which use before the noun and pronoun and tells us about the time, place, method, etc. So I am going to put this stick into the cup of prepositions. So let's take the next stick. The next stick, as you can see that it is having the name of continuously. What is continuously? Continuously is a adverb. Like it is pouring continuously. Adverbs are those words which tells us about the verb. So I am going to put this stick in the cup of adverb. Let's take the next stick. That is they. They is the pronoun. Pronoun which used instead of noun, replace of noun. So I am going to put this stick in the cup of pronoun. Let's take the next stick. So the stick which I took having the name of because. Because is the conjunction. As conjunction, what conjunction does? Conjunctions are those words which joins the two words or the two sentences. So I'm going to put this stick into the cup of conjunction. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.